Hello everyone and welcome back to Haruugami, and in today's video we are going to create a butterfly. So let's get started. For this tutorial I will be using a 12 by 12 cm square paper, but you can use any size you want for this. First we will start by rotating the paper like this and fold it in half. After this, we will unfold, rotate again and fold it in half once again. Once we finish with this fold, we will flip the paper and fold it in the middle like this. Try to be as precise as you can. After we've done with this fold, we will unfold, rotate once again and fold it like this. After we finish with these folds, we will use our fold line to squeeze the paper into a shape of a triangle like this. And let me show you once again. Once we have this triangle, we will flip it so we will have the triangle at the top. Then we will take each corner of the paper and we will fold it to the middle at the top, but in a diagonal way. After this, we will take the back bottom part of our paper and we will bring it to the top, so we will have a little triangle right here, which we will fold like this to our side. I suggest you to glue this part so that it stays in place. Now we just need to make this fold in the middle, so we will get the final shape of our butterfly. And that's it, it's ready. If it was hard to you to see on the red paper, let me show it to you once again on a different color. And that's it. You can make as many as you want in different colors and in different sizes. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you again in the next video. Bye!